Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve Class 7 for Mathematics June Series 2021. So here travels from his home in Lyon to Singapore. He travels by train from Lyon to Paris. The trains leave Lyon at 9:05 a.m. and arrive in Paris at 1:30 p.m. Okay, right? Okay, in 24 hours. So 24 hours. So starting from 12 is gonna be 13. So this is 12 and 1. So this is 13 point. So 13, 30. Okay, work out in hours and minutes. The time the train takes. Okay, starting from 9:05. Let us make it into the whole hour. Into 10 o'clock. Here it takes 55 minutes. Next, until 13 o'clock, it takes 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 hours. And the last 13 to 30, it takes 30 minutes. Okay, let us add all the time. So 55 with 30. First, let's add 30 plus 55. So you got as 4 hour plus by 85 minutes. Okay, let's make it into hour and minutes. So this is 4 hour plus 1 hour plus. So this is 85. We multiply it by 60. So 25 minutes. So the total hour 4 plus 1. So this is 5 hour. Oh, so this is 3 hour. Takes 11, 12, 13. So it plus by 3. So 3 plus by 1 hour and 25 minutes. Okay, he then traveled from Paris to Singapore. The travel leaves at, the plane leaves at 16:35 on Thursday. Singapore arrived 13 hours and 45 minutes later. So the local time in Singapore is 6 hours ahead of the local time in Paris. Work out the day and time in Singapore when the plane arrives. Okay, this is Thursday, so 13 hours. So let's make it into the whole hour to be 17 o'clock. Here we need 25. So 45 we multiply by 25 minutes. So we got as 2 minutes remaining. Okay, then 13. So we got 17. Remember, the maximum days is 24. So 24 to 17, this is 24 or 00 is 7 hours. So here we got 13, we multiply it by 7. So 13, we multiply it by 7. So we got as 6 hours. So 24, start over from 00. So it's gonna be 06, 20. Okay, then look at it. Then the local time in Singapore is 6 hours ahead. So here we plus by 6 hours. So we got as 12:20. So the day is 1 day ahead. So this is Friday. And the time is 12:30. Okay, the distance from Paris to Singapore is, okay, we got the distance 1000, the average speed. So here's the triangle that we need to remember, this distance, speed, and the time. Okay, to find the speed, so speed equal to the distance, we minus it with the time. So this is 10,736 kilometer. So the plane, it is 13 hours and 45 minutes. So this is 13.75 kilometer per hour. So 10,736 we divide by 13.75. So here the average speed is 780.8 km per hour. Okay, Pierre buys a watch for 400 Singapore dollars. The exchange rate is 1 Singapore dollar equal to 0.658 euros. Okay, work out the cost of the watch in euros. So the price is 400. So we can just make it 400. We multiply by 0.658. Here is to get the euros. So the euros is 263.2 euros. Okay, Ferry stays at the hotel in the Singapore for 5 nights. The cost per night of the room is 170. Okay, let's multiply it by 5. So you got 170. We multiply it by 5. So you got as $850. So calculate how much Fear spent on the other hotel item. So the total bill 975.40 we minus by 850. Yeah, we minus by 850. So we got as $125.4 for the other hotel item. Okay, number 4, we need to put a ring around the fraction that is equivalent. So equivalent is the same value. So here is 35. So 35 to make it 7, we need to divide by 5. 35 we divide by 5 equal to 7. However, 62 when we divide by 5 is not equal to 12. So this is not the correct answer. 36 to be 12 we divide by 3. However, when 20 we divide by 3 not equal to 7. So this is not. Okay, next. Here is we divide by 7. 49 divided by 7 equal to 7. 84 divided by 7 equal to 12. So this is equivalent. Okay, write this number in order, starting with the smallest. Let us make it into the decimal number. So we got 7, we divide by 12. Here is 0.583. Here's okay, fraction here is 0.58. Here is 8, we divide by 13. So we got as 0.615. Next is 2, we divide by 3 is 0.66. Okay. So we got it here, the highest is 2 over 3. And getting smallest is here is 8 over 13. Okay, next after 8 over 13 is 0.6. And then here goes to 7.7 over 12. And the smallest one is 58%. Okay, write 0.724 as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. So 724 we divide by 1,000. Here we need to simplify. So the easiest one, we can divide it with 724 divided 724. Yeah, we can divide by 4, both of them. So 724 divided by 4 is 181. 1,000 when we divide by 4, so we got as 250. Here is the simplest that we cannot divide it with the same number anymore. So let us write it 181 over 250. Okay, the mass m grams of the ball. Okay, we correct to the nearest 5 gram. So the lowest level of accuracy is 5. So here we make it a half. So here is 2.5. So from the smallest, we got 415. We minus it by 2.5. While the highest, 415, we plus by 2.5. So here is starting from 412.5. Here is 416. 17.5. Okay, Ruth use 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of a bag of flour to make one cake. Work out the number of bags of flour she needs to buy to make 7 cakes. Okay, see here 3/4. We multiply by 7. So this is gonna be 21. Okay, so 21 we minus it by 4 is 5.25. So to make it here 7 cakes, C needs to at least get as 6 bag of flour. So this is 6, because if we make it 5, C will not be able to make it 7 cakes. Okay. A tin of soup costs $3 and a packet of biscuit costs $P. Okay, 3 tin. Okay, so this equal to 15.50. Okay, write down the equation in terms of T and P. Okay, 5 tins, so 5 T plus by 4 P equal to 28.50. Okay, solve the two simultaneous equation. Okay, let us show all our working. So this is 3t plus by 2p equal to 15.5. This is the first equation. The second equation we got as 5t plus by 4p equal to 28.5. This is the second. The first equation, let us multiply it by 2. And the second equation, just keep it or multiply by 1. Why we have to multiply by 2? So we need to get rid of this p. So let's make it into the same number. So it's gonna be 60 plus by 4p, and then 15. Here 15.5 we multiply by 2 is 31. So it's 5t plus by 4p equal to 28.5. Let's minus it. 60 we minus it by 5t is only t remaining. Here this disappear. So 31 we minus it by 28.5. So we got t equal to 2.5. How about p? Let's substitute to first equation here. So 2.5 we multiply by 2p equal to 15.5. So you got 2.5 multiplied by 3 is 7.5 plus 2p equal to 15.5. We minus it by 7.5 both of sides. So 2p equal to 15.5. We minus it by 7.5. Because here we minus it left side by 7.5. Another side also we minus it by 7.5. Why? To get rid or to make it only p on the left side. So here 7.5 is 8. So we divide by 2 both of sides, so p equal to 4. Okay, so we got a tin of soup cost $2.5, while a packet of biscuit costs $4. Okay, there it is. I will continue for the next part. Oh, thank you. You write it here, 25, $2.5 and $4. Okay, thank you.